Hello guys, let's take problem based on exponents of real numbers from R.D. Sharma here. So this problem you can see that here it is given that if a is equal to x to the power m plus n y to the power l, b is equal to x to the power l plus m y to the power n, and c is equal to x to the power l plus m and y to the power n. Now what you need to prove here? You need to prove that a to the power mn minus 1, b to the power n minus l, c to the power l minus m equal to 1. You can see here in all these given expression there is no power on a, b and c. But you need to take the power of m minus n minus l and l minus m on a, b and c. So what you will do here? Let's take the power of l, m minus n on both the sides. Let's take the given expression first. This is our expression. Now what you'll do, let's take the power of m minus n both the side, because that is what required in this expression. That's why I am doing the same. Now what will be the value for this expression? You know that you can write them separately. How? Whole to the power mn minus 1. As you know that this is in multiplication. Write down in multiplication and this will become this. Now what you will do? Let's solve it further. You know that these two powers will get multiplied. And now observe this form first. This is a plus b and a minus b, which is the formula for a square minus b square. So you can directly write it as m square minus n square. And power on y is l. When you multiply this l with m minus n, so what this will become? This will be ln minus nl. Now solve for the expression for b to the power n minus l here. So what you'll do? Let's write down the expression for b, which is x to the power n plus l into y to the power m. You'll take powers of n minus l on both the side. Now let's solve this expression as we have solved the above expression, which is this. Now I'll directly write the answer for this, which will be, you know that this is coming out to be x to the power m square minus n square. Here you can see it is n plus l and n minus l. So x to the power will be n square minus l square. I hope there should be no problem in observation. In case of b, power will be m into n minus m into l. Now what will be the expression for c? Expression for c is this. Now what you need to do here? You need to take the power of l minus m on both the side. I'll directly write this step for this, which will be x to the power l square minus m square, because this is the form of a plus b, a minus b. Now what we are doing here? In this expression we are multiplying a, b and c, which you need to prove that this will be equal to 1. So what we'll do? We have all the expressions for a, b and c. Now let's multiply. This is 1, this is 2 and this is 3. What we are going to do in the next step? We are going to multiply all these. So let's directly write the right hand side expression, which will be. So after multiplying the right hand side expression, you are getting this. Now what you'll do? You'll take, you can see here the same base x, x, x. When there are same base, so their powers is going to add. So now let's add all these powers on x, and after that add all the powers on y, because there is same base y here. So it will be. So after solving the above expression, you will get all these powers in summation. Now let's solve these two powers. You can see here there is plus m square and there is negative m square. So these are going to subtract. And all other terms are also going to get subtracted. Here in this case, there is positive ml and there is negative ml. These are going to get cancelled and these are all going to get cancelled, and what you will get? X to the power 0 and y to the power 0. And if there is power of 0 on any base, then that value will be 1. So this will be 1 into 1 and you will get 1. Hence proof that this expression is equal to 1. I hope there should be no doubt here. I will be taking more problems in the next video lecture. Thank you.